This is the room I got on the 10th floor, a higher floor this time. This is my bed. I'm gonna say hi and bye basically, go to my couch surfing area. But this is beautiful. It has a balcony and everything, and they even have, this time around, its own private shower. So I'm gonna have a shower and then head off. Yay. Welcome to Berlin. This is the best kind of door. So if you put the handle up here, halfway, you open the door. But if you put the handle all the way up and you pull it open, you open the window. Amazing, huh? I mean, where else can you get a bed right by this amazing balcony? Look at this, my bed leads to the balcony. It's all going on Eat Berlin, 21st of February, and all the Michelin star restaurants, you can have a little, like for €5 or €6, just like a sample of, you know, different things. So very, very, very nice to have this while I'm here. Look, it's Walt Disney. No. So this apparently is Hitler's bunker. These buildings here, maybe? I don't know, I'm not sure. This is the jungle.
Say that again. 暖かくしたければ直前で使おうかな。